Normally, only with head movement does fluid within the inner ear also move, informing the brain that a head turn occurred. However, should a crystal called an otolith gets displaced into the posterior canal of the inner ear, BPPV dizziness occurs. Fluid movement occurs due to the crystal rather than head turns, causing the brain to think movement has occurred even though none has happened. When the Epley maneuver is performed to treat this posterior canal BPPV by trying to get the loose crystal out of the canal, this maneuver is started by turning the head 45 degrees and the body laid back such that the head is extended about 20 to 30 degrees. The direction of this initial head turn is formally determined by the Dix-Hallpike maneuver. That said, the initial head turn is typically towards the side that more severely triggers the dizziness. If BPPV is present, eye twitching called nystagmus will occur. After 30 to 60 seconds, the head turn is turned 90 degrees to the opposite side and held for another 30 to 60 seconds. The head is then further rotated another 90 degrees, accomplished by having the patient turn onto their side, which is then held for another 30 to 60 seconds. At this point, the head should be turned 45 degrees from the horizontal. When performing this maneuver, another individual can help with these position changes. The maneuvers are then completed by having the patient sit back up. So what's going on with these position changes? Essentially, the head has moved in such a way to manipulate the crystal to fall towards the canal opening. With each position change, it takes about 30 to 60 seconds for the crystal to settle into the most dependent position in the canal. If turns are made before the crystal has a chance to settle, the crystal may fall back the wrong way and the maneuver will fail. It is also important that the head positions are angled correctly, or else the crystal will not settle to the correct position in the canal and the maneuver will fail. Also, if the position changes are done too slowly, the crystal may not settle quickly enough from lack of momentum, and the maneuver will also fail. Once the crystal falls out of the canal, the dizziness should resolve if due to posterior canal BPPV.